Hey, to share internet of your Realme GT 6, first of all, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network or mobile data, like in my case, and you have to navigate into the settings and enable portable hotspot. So we have to click here, then move into the connection and the sharing, and now select personal hotspot. Before you turn it on, you can also find some options. So first, here we can find the name of your hotspot with a password. You can change it if you want. Right here, we can even turn on the Wi-Fi 6, so it will actually speed up the internet. Of course, the Wi-Fi 6, it's not available on all devices, so just check this before turning it on. You can also hide the hotspot, so it can be only connected manually. And here you can also change the AP band between 2.4 and 5, and of course the 5 is also not supported of every device, so be careful with this function. And next we can also find some other options, like for example manage connections. So before you turn it on, you can set the data usage limit. So if you want to set, for example, 10 gigs or 5 gigs, you can do this just right here. And finally, you can turn it on by clicking on the switcher. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.